Hello, welcome to Miragebooks support. When your business makes a payment, it's important to keep it on the record. You can do it by creating a bill receipt entry in Miragebooks. With Miragebooks, you can just snap a photo of your receipt and let the app automatically save the transaction. However, if you don't have a physical receipt or if the receipt is handwritten, old, or difficult to read, you need to manually create an entry. Let's start. Go to your dashboard page, click on the plus button, and Action Sheet will pop up. No matter how many items are listed on your receipt, if you only need to record the total amount, choose Bill Receipt. Next, fill in the form. By default, the receipt date is set as today. If you need to modify the receipt date, simply tap on it, select the correct date, then click OK. In the From Who or Where column, enter the name of the vendor or service provider. Describe what you paid for in the description. Then, specify the expense account for this payment. We provide a list of commonly used accounts for you to choose from. You can click on the correct account, or if you don't find what you're looking for, you can manually enter it. Miragebooks will remember and add it to the account list for your next use. In the Amount column, enter the amount of the receipt. If you want to keep a copy of the receipt or any proof of payment, click on Attach Files. You can take a picture or upload a photo from the library. The pictures will be saved in this entry for your future reference. If your payment is in a foreign currency, click on the Foreign Currency button. In this foreign currency field, enter the name of the desired currency. Then, click on the magnifying glass. A real-time currency rate will be populated for you. You also have the option to manually enter a different rate if needed. Once you've finished, click on the check at the upper right corner to save your input. If you want to add more relevant details for this payment, tap on Optional Fields button. In the Invoice Number column, you can enter the receipt number or vendor invoice number. If you are given a discount, enter discount amount in Discount field. The Payment Status toggle is set as Paid by default. You can just leave the toggle as it is if you already paid. Next, in the Paid from Bank Account column, enter the bank account used for this payment. Lastly, if you need to repeat this payment, you have the option to select the transaction frequencies from the drop-down list. When you're done, just tap the check button in the upper right corner to save your input. On the Bill Receipt form page, click the Save button at the upper right corner to save the entry and return to the dashboard. Slide the page down to refresh data. The new entry will appear at the top of the list. Congratulations! You have created a receipt entry successfully.